None of us want to be the neighbor with the worst lawn on the block. But does that mean you need to hire a pro? Let's find out. So you're looking at your lawn and thinking, do I hire someone or do it myself? Well, here's the scoop. First off, DIY lawn care is a great way to save money. Why pay someone else when, with a bit of effort, you can do an even better job? Plus, it's a killer workout. Lawn gyms, anyone? You're also the boss of your lawn. You know exactly what's been done and when. No more mystery granules or waiting for some guy to show up. Remember Jeff 02102212? He nailed it. Why would I pay someone else to do a worse job? Got kids? DIY lawn care is a prime opportunity for family bonding. Get the kids off their screens and into the sun. Teach them about responsibility and maybe even a bit of botany. And let's talk about the bragging rights. Imagine your neighbor's face when they ask, who's your lawn guy? And you reply, you're looking at him, priceless. But hey, it's not just about showing off. As the Penn Islands said, just learn once and you're good to apply the knowledge forever. So grab your gloves, put on that straw hat and take charge of your lawn. After all, your lawn deserves the personal touch only you can give. Happy mowing.